In today's video, we're going to be talking about the spot price of both silver and gold, and we're also going to be talking about how and why Elon Musk just sold 10% of his Tesla holdings. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Hope you're doing well, feeling great, and enjoying freedom. It's a great day to have a great day. Today, I wanted to talk about silver and gold. Some spot price updates because the spot price of both metals are up, but we also have to talk about Elon Musk just selling 10% of his stake in Tesla. It's really interesting, and I went through some of the numbers, and I think you'll be amused. We're going to get into it, but really quick, just in case you're new, make sure to subscribe for daily videos. Also subscribe to my second channel for weekly videos. Get yourself some DYDSS merchandise to help support the channel. I'd really appreciate it. And make sure to get your 2 free stocks by downloading Webull. The link will be in the description. Refer 3 friends before the end of the month. Get a free share of Apple worth about $150. All links are in the description. Also, this just in, since we're speaking of Tesla, I just found out that for the next 7 days, for every friend you referred to Webull, you and the person you referred will each get $15 worth of Tesla stock. Link in the description. So today is Thursday, November 11th, 2021. We're going to get into the spot price momentarily. I wanted to talk about Tesla first, because this is actually really interesting. But regardless, the spot price is going to be different by the time I post the video, so head on down to the comments and let me know the date and time you're viewing the video and what the current spot price is for you. I'm always curious. So today, I wanted to start off by talking about something Elon Musk related. For those of you who do not remember, I posted a video mentioning this a couple of days ago. On Saturday, Elon Musk posted a poll on Twitter asking if he should sell 10% of his shares of Tesla, because people in recent weeks, months, years have been saying that not selling stocks is a means of tax avoidance. So he proposed, should I sell 10%? Yes or no? Now, people on Twitter, some of which want him to pay taxes, some of which just wanted to troll him, the final results ended up being 58% saying yes. And he followed up saying that he would go by whatever the results tell him to do. So I wanted to talk about this today because in the video that I posted where I was covering that, my assumption was that, okay, he has to sell now. There's no way for him to not sell at this point. In fact, it would probably be illegal for him to not sell. Well, as it turns out, he did. He just sold 10% of his shares of Tesla, about $28 billion worth. Now, close to half of that is going to automatically be gone thanks to taxes, but let's just say he's left with about $14 billion. Here's where things get funny. As it turns out, Elon was awarded Tesla stock options, which he could have either taken or completely lost. Now, who in their right mind would not take them? Who would voluntarily choose to lose them? So that's not what he did. He took them. But this is considered stock-based compensation, which is a form of taxable income. So Elon ended up with a tax bill of roughly $14 billion. But coincidentally, he sold $28 billion worth of his Tesla holdings, about half of which went to taxes, and the $14 billion left over is going towards his tax bill from those stock options. I'm sorry, but I find this hilarious, and here's the best part. Yeah, he sold a portion of his Tesla shares, but guess what? Elon's getting 22.8 million shares via stock options, which is valued at, you guessed it, about $28 billion. This man came in, handed over a whole bunch of money, did a circle around the room, took the money back, and walked out the door. Are you starting to catch on why I'm such a big fan of Elon Musk? This guy is a giant walking middle finger, and I'm here for it. I just thought that was hilarious. I wanted to share that in the video. Do not forget to go and get your $15 worth of Tesla stock. For the next 7 days, every friend you refer that signs up to Webull and funds their account, you and that person will each get $15 worth of Tesla. Link in the description. Away from Tesla, away from Elon, let's talk about the silver and the gold. Spot price of silver as I'm filming the video is $25.17. It's up 55 cents or up 2.23%. Spot price of gold is $1861.90. It's up $12 or up 0.65%. The gold to silver ratio is in the 73 to 74 to 1 range, but again, that's as I'm filming the video, not as I'm editing, posting, or as you're watching. So head on down to the comments and let me know the date and time you're viewing the video and what the current spot price is for you. I'm always curious. So, pretty green day for both precious metals, especially silver. And if you watched the video that I posted yesterday, you could pretty much say the same thing. I'm pretty sure silver was up about maybe 3 1/4, somewhere around there, while gold was up maybe about 1.5%, give or take. I might be off by a little bit, but that was roughly how high up both precious metals were. Well, guess what? Today's pretty much a repeat. And yesterday, when I filmed yesterday's video, spot price was over $25. By the time I posted the video, spot price was about $24.65. Well, guess what? We are back up above $25 an ounce, premium excluded. About $29 to $30 an ounce, premium included, depending on what type of silver or what you're exactly going after. But regardless, stack price still probably under the $30 mark, about $29 or so, give or take. And I don't know about you, but I'm definitely looking forward to paying my local coin shop a visit. I will be honest, I'm going to be going pretty light. I'm not going to be getting a whole bunch of silver. And I would like to get myself a little bit of gold this month too, but once again, I will be going kind of light. When it comes to other investments as well, I will also be going light. And the reason for this is because this month, the month of November, for the next 2.5 weeks, give or take, I want to remain relatively cash heavy. I want to be a little bit of a cash stacker this month just because I'm kind of anticipating some crazy volatility toward the end of the month. I'm not going to sit here and recommend you holding onto a whole bunch of cash because I could be wrong. I've been wrong in the past. I'll be wrong again in the future. I'm just personally expecting insane amounts of volatility after the whole Black Friday through Cyber Monday weekend blowout sale. We'll have, I think, Tuesday and Wednesday. I think that'll be the end of November, and then I think Thursday will be December 1st, if I'm not mistaken. I think that week is probably going to be really crazy, and then when we're moving into December, things are going to get even more chaotic because we have the debt ceiling crisis that we're dealing with, we have extending the government budget and the possibility of a government shutdown, all taking place in the month of December. So I'm anticipating a lot of volatility. I'm anticipating a lot of people probably taking profits after the blowout sale, and I'm anticipating a lot of people selling off out of fear due to everything going on in the month of December. Not to mention, it'll be the month of December, the last month of the calendar year. I'm pretty sure a lot of people are going to be selling off regardless because that happens every December because we're going to be moving into a new year just 1 month later. Regardless, I could be wrong, but in my opinion, I think more signs are pointing to red days than green days over the next couple of weeks. So long story short, I'm going to try my best to remain somewhat a little bit more cash heavy than I normally would. I'll still be stacking, I'll still be investing, but I'm going to take it a little bit easier than I normally would. Anyway, when it comes to the silver, when it comes to the gold, silver, first and foremost, pretty simple. This is what I've been talking about for several weeks at this point. I'm just going to stick to 90% junk constitutional Washington silver quarters. That's all I'm really interested in at the moment. It's where I can get the most bang for my buck. But when it comes to gold, I have a couple of plans. Actually, before I talk about the gold coins, one thing that I would like to get this month, see how I have the 1s and the 5s of all the gold backs? I want to get the 10s. That's a plan that I have for the month of November. In addition to that, I don't know if this will be November or I don't know if it'll be December. More than likely December, but who knows. I would like to get myself some more fractional gold coins. More specifically, I would like to get myself some more quarter-ounce gold coins. So forget a majority of these. Forget all these right here. I don't think I'm going to be going after any more 10th ounce. But I definitely want to go after some more quarter-ounce gold coins. And I definitely want to get myself a 1/4 ounce gold maple before the end of the year. If possible, I'm going to try my best to make that a Christmas present to myself, if possible. I think I earned it. So I'm going to be going after a gold maple leaf. I don't really care what year. Gold maples, the year does not matter to me. I'd also like to get myself a 1/4 ounce gold Britannia. And funny enough, the year does matter to me, at least somewhat. It's got to be a 2021 or, moving into 2022, 2022. The reason for that is because 2021 Britannias now have the new security feature. And I'm a huge fan of that. See right there? That circle, the bottom left. I'm a big fan of that. And I definitely want to get myself a 1/4 ounce gold Britannia with that security feature. I don't have any 1/4 ounce gold Britannia, so I think my first one needs to be obviously a 2021. And as long as I have the option, I think that's probably what I'm going to stick with when it comes to gold Britannias. I think it has to be 2021 and newer, just for the sake of getting that security feature. I mean, the thing's incredible. I'm a huge fan of that right there, and I wish the U.S. Mint implemented something like that to the Type 2 Silver Eagle instead of doing what they actually did. But regardless, it is what it is. Aside from the Britannia, I'm probably going to go after gold maples as well. And I'm probably going to go after the gold maple first, the 1/4 ounce, just because it's just such a beautiful coin. When it comes to certain coins, in my opinion at least, certain ones look better in silver than they do gold, and vice versa. For example, I think the Krugerrand looks better in gold than silver. I think the Britannia looks better in silver than gold. But the maple leaf, as far as I'm concerned, beautiful both ways, and I cannot even decide which one I think looks better. I think they both look incredible, but I have far more silver maples than I have gold maples, so I definitely want to get myself another one of these in a slightly larger denomination. That's pretty much what my plan is, or my strategy is going to be for the next couple of weeks, or the next month and a half, I guess I can say. That's all I'm going to really be worrying about. A couple of gold backs, if possible, a 1/4 ounce gold coin or two, as many 90% silver Washington quarters as I can possibly get my hands on. That's really it. I'm going to keep it simple. I'm going to keep it boring, because I have found that boring oftentimes is better when it comes to stacking and when it comes to investing. Boring, more often than not, is just the better way to go. It's the more stable, the more structured way to go, and sure, we can all have our opinions on whether or not it's better, whether or not that's worse. In my opinion, I think it's better, or at least it's usually better, and that's the way that I'm going to do things, at least for the next month and a half. But I want you guys to head on down to the comments and let me know anything and everything related to today's video topic. The first half of the video where I was talking about Elon Musk and selling a portion of his Tesla holdings and then covering taxes, but then taking the Tesla stock options, so he basically got them back, and whatever he sold was just to cover the tax bills. So he wasn't really left out on anything. He's not really missing any shares of Tesla, and he's not really missing any of his billions of dollars. So again, I find that hilarious, but let me know your thoughts on that right there. And then, of course, when it comes to the silver and the gold, what are your thoughts on the spot price today? Another green day for the precious metals. Up and away, potentially? Or do you think this is going to be somewhat of, I don't know, maybe a false alarm? Maybe we're moving in an upward direction, then boom, we're going to fall down by a couple of bucks for silver. Maybe $50 or however many dollars for gold. Who knows? Do you think we're going to see a big drop anytime soon? Or do you think that we're on the brink of going up, and reaching potentially new all-time highs when it comes to the precious metals? And if anybody's interested in joining the Precious Metals VIP Club, it's where I can do things on my own terms, not on YouTube's terms, my terms. I'm hosting privately held live streams. They're smaller and easier to manage. I'm posting exclusive VIP-only adventure vlogs. I also do giveaways, discounts, personalized promo codes, shout-outs, deal alerts when silver and gold is on sale on a variety of different websites. And of course, you can watch all of my videos early and commercial free. Come join the Precious Metals VIP Club. It'll be the first link in the description. You're invited. I'd be happy to have you. If you guys like today's video, please hit the like button. If you guys like me, make sure to subscribe. New videos every single day, 365 days a year. Also subscribe to my second channel, which is my backup channel for exclusive weekly content. Bunch of brand new videos over there. Go check it out. The link will be in the description. And if you want to get yourself some DYDSS merchandise to help support the channel, I would really appreciate it. We got the Consistency is Key design. We got the Mama Didn't Raise No Karen design. We got the Lone Wolf design. We got the Kraken Stacking design, and a bunch of others. Any and all merchandise can be found by clicking the first link in the description section down below. Thank you in advance. It's more than appreciated. Make sure to go and get your 2 free stocks by downloading Webull. The link will be in the description. If you refer 3 friends before the end of the month, they're going to give you a free share of Apple worth about $150 right now. And if you don't want that free share of Apple, go and get it anyway and then sell it. And then you have about $150 to go and get some silver if you want. That's roughly 5 troy ounces for free. Webull link in the description. And of course, for the next 7 days, for each friend you successfully refer to Webull, you and that person will each get $15 worth of Tesla stock. Link in the description. But moving away from that, I want you guys to head on down to the comments and let me know once again, what are your thoughts on everything shared in today's video? When it comes to the silver, when it comes to the gold, when it comes to the Musk, and what he did with Tesla. What are your thoughts on that right there? Do you find that as funny as I do? And then, of course, when it comes to the spot price of precious metals, what are your thoughts? Do you think we are going to continue on this upward trend? Do you think we're going to see potentially $26 an ounce silver again pretty soon? Do you think we're going to see $27, $28, $29 an ounce silver pretty soon? Do you think we're going to hit $30 before the end of the year? I mean, no one knows for sure, but it's fun to talk about. And then when it comes to gold, do you think we might see $1,900 an ounce anytime in the near future? Head on down to the comments and let me know anything and everything related to today's video topic. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. And remember, don't you dare stop smiling. Peace.